Stratasys, a leader in polymer 3D printing solutions, announced today it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire the additive manufacturing materials business of Covestro AG for €43 million. The acquisition is expected to be immediately accretive upon closing for Stratasys and includes R&D facilities and activities, a global sales team, a portfolio of approximately 60 additive manufacturing materials, and an extensive IP portfolio comprising hundreds of patents and patents pending. Covestro has been a key part of Stratasys' third-party materials ecosystem, and the acquisition will benefit customers using multiple Stratasys 3D printing platforms, including its Origin P3, Neo stereolithography, and H350 printers. Stratasys is already a distributor of Covestro's Somos resins, and they are already available for Neo and Origin 1 3D printers. Stratasys CEO, Dr. Yov commented, "The acquisition of Covestro's highly regarded additive manufacturing business positions us to further grow adoption of our newest technologies. We will now have the ability to accelerate cutting-edge developments in 3D printing materials and advance our strategy of providing the best and most complete polymer 3D printing portfolio in the industry." The acquisition is expected to close during the first quarter of 2023, subject to the receipt of regulatory approvals and satisfaction of other customary closing conditions. Stratasys is leading the global shift to additive manufacturing with innovative 3D printing solutions for industries such as aerospace, automotive, consumer products, and healthcare. Through smart and connected 3D printers, polymer materials, a software ecosystem, and parts on demand, Stratasys solutions deliver competitive advantages at every stage in the product value chain. Shares of Stratasys trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol SSYS. For more information, visit www.greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Greenstock News for the new green economy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you click on the subscribe button.